The holiday season looks a little different this year for Wayne Okamau of God's Lake Narrows. He had to travel to Winnipeg from his fly-in community in northeast Manitoba to check the items off his list.
I came to Christmas shop. I can't shop online anymore.
That's because mail and parcels aren't moving. The strike by postal workers is going into its fourth week, and the union and Canada Post remain far apart. First Nations leaders warn it's affecting more than Christmas shopping.
It's a tremendous burden, a tremendous hardship for a lot of people.
Bunabonabee Cree Nation Chief Richard Hart says important packages aren't coming in or going out. They include payments by check, registering newborns with the federal government so they can access health care, and medical supplies and prescriptions.
People depend on the mail for prescription refills, medications to come in, and a lot of those medications are being held up, or we have to find creative ways to get the medication into the nursing station.
The strike means people have had to rely on shipping available through private airlines. First Nations leaders say that costs more and isn't fair to those who live in isolated and remote communities.
We would like to see the postal service continue to resume. We would like to see Canada take action to make sure it resumes sooner than later.
The issue was discussed at this First Nations Leadership Summit. Keewatin Tribal Council Grand Chief Walter Wastesakut says 9 of 11 communities he represents are remote and isolated, leaving few alternatives to Canada Post.
The communities in the south, they have different couriers that can deliver, pick up packages, make sure they get to their destination. We don't have that luxury in the north.
The federal government is urging both sides to reach a negotiated agreement. It didn't come in time for Wayne Okamau.
The plane costs lots, close to $600 one way.
A price he had to pay to get his packages home to the north in time for Christmas. Josh Crabb, CBC News, Winnipeg.